My name is Amber. I'm from France. I study in CESI Toulouse. I chose to study manufacturing here. Otherwise, I would choose embedded systems. But I had the opportunity to go to the US and I wanted to have fun while studying. And I think that manufacturing is definitely the place to go.
And then were there any other courses that you enjoyed?
I enjoyed the MET 244 course, which is 3D modeling, with our final project that was creating a gimbal for a drone. And yeah, I had a lot of fun doing it.
Phil Korn, and I'm studying manufacturing engineering. I'm a French exchange student, CESI in Nice, the south of France. And in France, it's more like mechanical engineering. I hope the next year student will have as much fun as we are.
I'm from France, and I studied manufacturing here at KCC.
About your experience here at KCC?
It was very hands-on, so
Yeah.
that's what I like. It's very different from France.
What would be something you would want to tell a fellow student that is maybe interested in coming to America to study engineering?
Oh, do it.
Do it. Great.
You won't regret.